हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक गाइस। और आज की वीडियो में जैसे मैंने आप सब लोगों के साथ वादा किया था कि आज मैं बूम बाय सिंडी जोसेफ जो एक कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड है, प्रो एज कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड है, उसके बारे में बात करूंगा। और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो होने वाली है बिकॉज ये पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड को मैं ऑलमोस्ट 4 साल से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। सो आई नो अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट दिस ब्रांड एंड आई थिंक हम सब लोगों को इस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। सो स्टे ट्यून। सो उससे पहले जिन जिन लोगों ने अभी तक अपना शॉपिफाई स्टोर शुरू नहीं किया या अपना ई कॉमर्स का जर्नी स्टार्ट नहीं करी है, ई कॉमर्स का स्टोर नहीं स्टार्ट किया, स्टार्ट योर स्टोर राइट नाउ। दिस इज द लिंक। सो यू आर गेटिंग 90 डेज फ्री ट्रायल राइट नाउ। नॉर्मली आपको सिर्फ 14 दिन का फ्री ट्रायल मिलता है। सो यू आर एक्चुअली इन फॉर अ ट्रीट। सो साइन अप, चाहे आपको अगले महीने करना है या इवन 2 महीने बाद भी करना है, स्टिल यू विल हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ डेज लेफ्ट। बिकॉज अगर ये दोबारा से 14 दिन का हो गया एंड वी डोंट नो ये कब होगा, देन यू विल जस्ट गेट लाइक 14 डेज। सो दैट्स बीइंग सेड, अब हम चलते हैं दोबारा वापस जिस ब्रांड के बारे में हमने बात करना है, जो कि है बूम बाय सिंडी जोसेफ। सो ये ब्रांड लाइक आई एम अ फैन ऑफ दिस ब्रांड। अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं शायद इंडिया में ये ब्रांड लॉन्च कर दूं या इस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड को मॉडल करके इंडिया में लॉन्च कर दूं। और मे बी कोई जो मेरी आवाज़ सुन रहा है, मे बी समवन विल गेट इंस्पायर्ड एंड मे बी लॉन्च दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी कूल ब्रांड। सो इसमें एक सोशल मैसेज भी है एंड there is a real person involved in this particular brand, and this brand is being run by smart marketer Ezra Firestone। और जो लोग ई कॉम इंडस्ट्री में कुछ टाइम से हैं, शॉपिफाई में स्पेशली लाइक कुछ टाइम से हैं, तो Ezra Firestone is a marketer and this brand actually belongs to him। So it was पहले एक्चुअली इट वॉज आई डोंट नो कि अब क्या करेंट स्ट्रक्चर है, बट इट वॉज बिटवीन एजरा एंड सिंडी जोसेफ एंड माइट भी कुछ कपल ऑफ और लोग जुड़े हों इसके साथ। सिंडी जोसेफ इज नो मोर। लास्ट ईयर आई थिंक शी गॉट expired because of I think it was cancer, so rest in peace। But yes, this is something, so this is a brand which has a social message। तो मैं इस पर्टिकुलर सोशल मैसेज की बात भी करूँगा। एट द सेम टाइम आई विल ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट कि ये कौन से पहलू को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मार्केटिंग दे आर यूजिंग। सो इनका नज़रिया ये है कि जो कॉस्मेटिक्स है ना, इट इज़ नॉट लिमिटेड टू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डोंट नीड, और women who are like above 50 years of age, they don't need any cosmetics to hide their age। they need cosmetics or whatsoever जो भी products हैं to basically enhance whatever they have। so like मुंह के ऊपर जैसे most of the like girls are being afraid of wrinkles and all, but there is a good number of आजकल the revolution is all about the inner beauty। so this particular brand is talking about कि all you have to do is just admire your age, your wrinkles, like the way you are growing, the experience you have, just just admire it and use the products to enhance it, not to basically hide it। तो ये एक different concept उन्होंने use किया and this concept has been working for almost like I think it's been a decade, but I am following this brand from last 4 years and this is definitely a brand to follow if you guys are into e-com, or agar if you are selling anything related to e-commerce and you are in this beauty niche, then definitely a brand to follow। so this is not opening up right now, so let me try to, there is some issue with my internet I guess, so let me reconnect the internet। so yes, it is working now। तो हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले ना इनकी एड्स देखते हैं कि इनकी एड्स किस तरीके से दिखती हैं। एंड यू कैन सी नीदरलैंड से हु इज़ मैनेजिंग दिस इज़ मॉली पिटमैन। शी इज़ a great marketer, media buyer, so follow her if you are not। so अब यहाँ जाते हैं and let's type United States and see what kind of ads we are getting right now. So these are the ads. As you can see, they use a lot of different kind of ads. So testimonials हैं, you have so इनका एक particular, like the way they started, the strategy they used, actually they have been using it for almost like I think couple of years, 4 years तो हो चुके हैं. They're using a single article to get all that attraction. So let me see if I can find that article again. So as you can see all these images, they're so good. So this is like the hero shot of the product, and then they have, you know, all these women over 50 years and 5-minute scrub is safe to use every day. So yes, they use a lot of, you know, content marketing, content based marketing, and they share the content, and then when people reach out to their website, they then do the retargeting and do a follow up. So इस तरीके से do it. But the main actually content piece जो मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ ना, जो actually बहुत लंबे टाइम से they have been running it for a long time, 4 साल तो मुझे मालूम है हो चुके हैं वो particular content को रन करते हुए. Let's see if I can find that out. Makeup and minutes. Can you see, like all these are, you know, testimonials. You use powder makeup, so they use all that which is like controversial और कई बार जो debatable topics होते हैं regarding cosmetics, so they are using that to get the traction. So जो article है, that is something related to 5 makeup tips for women over 50. 5 makeup. See this. So this is the article actually. Get your 5 makeup tips below. So let's see. So 5 makeup tips for older women. So this is the article. They have been using it for almost 4 years. 4 साल मुझे मालूम है उससे ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. अब they are, you know, जितने भी नए लोग हैं, जितने भी नए लोगों के लोग reach करते हैं, they are bringing like all those people to this particular landing page, this particular page, whatever it's a landing page or not. और यहाँ पे they have everything, like regarding like so she is like Cindy Joseph, so about her journey, and then they have a brand authority like ki Jennifer Aniston is like a boom lover, and she is like over 45-50 I guess right now. I'm not sure about her age, maybe you guys know, but she's definitely above 40-45. So यहाँ पे हो गया, and then they are pitching like, okay, check out our new products, check out our products, and their best selling product is this particular boom stick. So जो इनका जो बेस्ट सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट है, that is this. So हम क्या करते हैं, हम इस प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर रीच आउट करते हैं, और and it's a low ticket item. It's a low ticket item. So what they are doing is, अगर आप तीनों sticks buy करेंगे, then it will cost you, you know, $79. One stick will cost you somewhere around 30 something like that, and their average order value is something around $100 and something. So why I know about, like how I know about all of this is because I follow Ezra very closely, whatever he is doing, and he shares a lot of good stuff about, you know, brand building. Or I have seen this particular website growing over and over and over. So 2017 में I think, I might be wrong, but 2016 में या 15 में they had a revenue of $2 million for the whole year, and then the next year, I think it was 2016 or 2017 था, they jumped to like around $17 million, such a big jump. And now they have done over like 50 million in the lifetime revenue of this particular company, and they have a good customer base, they have a, you know, good email marketing system. And I follow these guys a lot because they find out whatever new is coming to Facebook, कोई नई strategy आई Facebook के ऊपर या Facebook के ऊपर इन्होंने, they find out something which is working right now, they test a lot of stuff, they have a team of more than 100 people. So यहाँ पे जैसे check this video out, so इस video के ऊपर makeup in minutes, so they have a, you know, title on it, on this video. So they test each and everything, and whatsoever is working, then they have a smart marketer, a company itself, jahan pe they sell a lot of courses which are like legit courses approved by Shopify even. And so ye cheese, this is the thing I'm talking about. So this is the brand. I've seen this particular brand growing from a normal, it was not a normal, but it was still like as compared to like 2020, they have changed the whole website look and feel and everything. So they have limited number of products, but they have a very good system. They have a very good, so they're selling a low ticket item at the front end, like 35ish, something like that. And then they have an offer of, if you buy like 3 sticks, and then it will cost you somewhere around $79 जैसे हमने देखा था वहाँ पे. And that's how they get a lot of customers. And then they have a backend, backend system, lifetime customer value. Then they increase their AOV, etc. And see, by looking at this brand, you can say, okay, it's a very good brand. See, they have testimonials and they have left and right content, which is very, very good. Left and right content, videos, they have everything. Carry the power of Boomstick anywhere you go, and all these reviews, very, very good. And so definitely guys, so if you are not aware about this brand, then now you are aware about it. So go and follow their ads, because you will learn a lot of stuff if you have a plan of running any brand. And just follow these guys. And this particular brand, they are doing more than 20 million a year now. So definitely a brand to follow. And Ezra is in this marketing industry for almost a decade, I think more than a decade now, but he started just like you and me. So we can say he was actually kind of selling physical products before. He was like selling wigs, he was selling different kind of small products on his own, and slowly he started doing this kind of stuff, which is a brand. And this is our aim on this particular channel, कि हमने भी ऐसा ही कुछ करना है, and we have to do the same thing. So if you are selling a lot of products using dropshipping, that's good. Learn marketing from there, get the money from there, understand different market products, ideas, and then build something which is great. And this is something which is great. And definitely, so I guess you got some value out of it, guys. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.